So today we're doing something different. I'm not just showing you one recipe, but 3 beverages. We're making a peanut butter and banana smoothie, berry smoothie, and an avocado smoothie. Now these are perfect for breakfast or even just as a delicious beverage to go with your meal. Kids are going to go absolutely bonkers with this. First smoothie we're making, banana and peanut butter smoothie. All right, so here we go. 2 bananas into a blender. So to make it a bit more sort of, luxurious, 1 whole scoop of vanilla ice cream, a cup of fresh milk, and about a tablespoon of honey. Now, I have here some nutmeg. Now this is completely optional. I just want to give this smoothie a nice spice perfume. Yep. And grate some of this nutmeg in there. Of course, there are a bunch of other things you can add in there, like chia seeds, if you want to have fiber in there. And now for my secret ingredient, peanut butter. Maybe about a tablespoon or so. And blend away. We're going to top it up with some biscuits to give it that nice texture. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is my peanut butter and banana smoothie. Well, I just don't like ice inside a milk smoothie. That's just my own personal preference. But if you want that nice smoothie consistency, frothy, without adding any ice, freeze the bananas first. Next up, we're making a berry smoothie. Get yourself a bag of frozen berries, natural yogurt, about a tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup milk, a good tablespoon of honey, and let's blend. Just a little bit of chia seeds. Now for the third smoothie, about a cup of avocados, a cup of milk. I'm using full cream milk. To give it a little bit of a tang, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now to sweeten things up, about a tablespoon of honey and just a pinch of salt. To contrast that sweetness, I am going to be grating a little bit of cinnamon. Close it up. Now, look at this beautiful velvety pour. Take that very same cinnamon stick and just grate a little bit on the top. All right, so let's give this berry smoothie a try. Absolutely delicious. You've got that fresh flavors of the mixed berries. You're really high in antioxidants, good for your body. We've got yogurt in there, it's good for your gut, and a whole bunch of nutrients from all the different berries. So it's a delicious yet very, very healthy drink. Oh, I just whiffed the cinnamon that's on top of the avocado. Absolutely delicious. Such a nice perfume that greets you even before you partake of the drink. Absolutely delicious. You've got that really luxurious, smooth, velvety consistency because of the avocado. This will really fill you up until all the way till lunch. So great for breakfast. This is so good. Like, I know banana milkshakes everywhere in the world, people love it, but add some peanut butter in there and it gives that really nice, rich, nutty, velvety flavor. And not too much. You have to be careful with the peanut butter. If you put too much in there, it can get too peanut buttery. Just a little bit so that it's there, but you don't really taste it in your face. Spiced biscuits on the top just gives the extra dimension of texture. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. I hope you learned something from it. If you did, don't forget to click the like and subscribe. Leave me your comments in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys next week. Ciao, guys.